Remove old silicone caulk from a bathtub or shower by softening it, carefully cutting and scraping it away, and cleaning the surface so new caulk bonds properly. Start by loosening the bead with a caulk softener or a household solvent like isopropyl alcohol applied and left for a few minutes to penetrate the silicone. Use a specialized caulk removal tool with a hooked end and a scraping edge to lift and pull the softened bead away in long strokes, keeping the tool angled shallow to avoid gouging adjacent surfaces. On acrylic or painted surfaces, stop and switch to a plastic razor blade to prevent scratches and never use a metal knife there, because that can nick the finish and create corrosion points. For ceramic tile or grout seams, a thin metal blade is acceptable but work slowly to avoid chipping tile edges. Score parallel to the joint, then pry outward. After you remove the bulk of the caulk, wipe the joint with clean cloths, dampened with rubbing alcohol to remove silicone residue and any cleaning solvent, replacing cloths frequently until they show no transfer. Allow the area to dry completely and check for remaining soft material by running a fingernail along the joint. Any remaining film will prevent adhesion, so repeat solvent and scraping until the surface feels uniformly clean and dry. Common mistakes include forcing a metal knife across acrylic or painted tubs, which causes scratches and can lead to rust or peeling. Avoid this by using plastic blades or a specialized tool, and take your time. Another issue is failing to remove the thin silicone film left behind, which causes new caulk to lift later. Solve this by using isopropyl alcohol or a commercial silicone remover and wiping until no residue transfers to the cloth. A third problem is sealing before the joint is bone dry, which traps moisture and creates adhesion failure. Always allow the cleaned area to air dry fully for at least 30 minutes, and use a fan if needed before applying new caulk. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for bathroom maintenance projects and find practical advice about materials and techniques. We also connect contractors with homeowners seeking work and host an active discussion community where we share tips and troubleshooting experiences.